Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create a clean black and white ending in CapCut. It's fast, easy, and totally free. Okay, let's get started. First, once your video is done, go to the end of the clips and add white backgrounds. You can take it from CapCut library. This one. And after that, just go to crop to match the white background size with your video ratio. In this tutorial, I use a square ratio, so I will make it a square like this. And then I will resize it until it fully covers the screen like this. And after that, just adjust the durations as you like. I will adjust mine like this. Next, just go to mask, choose horizontal, and then add keyframes at the start of clips, like this, and then rotate the mask like this. Like this, and then I will drag it down the mask. I will drag it down like this, and then I will adjust the feather until 40, and then I will add keyframes at the end of clips, and then I will rotate twice or 3 times the mask like this. And then I will drag it up the mask so it will look like this. And then I will add a vignette effects. Just go to adjust and adjust the vignette like this. And then last, just add animations and go to out and choose fade out, and then adjust the durations. I will adjust like this. Okay, like this. And then last, let's try play the video. The end of the video, it will look like this. And okay, a clean black and white closings, no watermarks, and extra apps is ready. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.